Hello, my darling friends. This is Betty with Carblessly Delicious. As we are embarking upon a new year, the calendar is resetting, and the majority of people during this time begin to reflect on their health. Whether it is to lose weight, or if you're combating diabetes or other medical issues that require you to eat healthy, this is the time to make that New Year's resolution. And together we will prosper and be in good health. So I look forward to all that 2022 will bring. And stay tuned for all upcoming recipes that are uploaded every week on this channel, teaching you how to eat the foods that you love without the carbs, replacing the sugars and the processed refined flours, and just enjoying life to your fullest. Sending an awesome, heartwarming, happy new year to all of my viewers. I just want to thank you as we reflect and enter into 2022. I want to thank you all for welcoming me to this platform, and we are now approaching over 400 subscribers. I'm sending my love to each of you. This channel cannot succeed without you all, and I am here to inspire each of you to live and to eat healthy. And again, guys, thank you. I believe we are close to that halfway mark, and we are going to do it. So I'm really excited. My prayer for you all is that you be in good health even as your soul prospers. God bless you. Bye.